All right, I'm today in California and with two oral surgeons and a GP. Then we did a maxillary arch with Straumann and Dr. Michael Haung, Dr. Michael Chung, and Eric Chung. So we did CHROME GuidedSMILE, and how did it go for you guys? You saw the videos that we did online. It's your first case. What was your experience today with doing your first maxillary arch? We removed 4 implants and placed 6.
Yeah, I mean, the whole CHROME guided system worked flawlessly. All the pieces fit perfectly. The whole surgery went according to plan. Everything went very well for us.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Having chairside
Michael?
assistant with Tom here was a great help. A lot of nice tips to learn. So it was really useful.
Michael?
Amazing workflow from Ro. And of course, watching Thomas, the master of his craft, the work just makes everybody at ease and make the whole process really efficient. So it's great for everyone, including the patient.
Awesome. We appreciate you guys doing business with us, and next time we'll have more fun. Hopefully it's less complicated. With the implants came out beautiful, and you guys did a phenomenal job all across. So thank you for doing that, and we look forward to seeing you soon.
Thank you.
All right,
Thank you.